If your Windows 11 PC suddenly says USB power surge detected and now none of your USB ports work, don't panic. This fix might bring them back in under 2 minutes. First, completely shut your PC down. Now unplug the power cable from the wall, then hold the power button for 20 seconds. This drains leftover power stuck inside the motherboard, which is usually what causes the USB controller to lock up. Now wait about 1 minute. Plug the PC back in and turn it back on. If your mouse and keyboard suddenly start working again, the issue was a protected USB controller shutdown. If it still doesn't work, unplug all USB devices except your keyboard and mouse, especially USB hubs, phone chargers, and external drives. This fixes the Windows 11 USB power surge error for a lot of people. Try this fix and let me know in the comments if it worked for you. And if you want more quick tech fixes like this, make sure you like the video and subscribe to ResetPilot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.